Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw an egg yolk, so let's get started. First, draw a round circle here. Now draw two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another small circle. A curve inside. With three lines. And the mouth. Now we add and cube egg yolk.
I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow in with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.